Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you need the best video converter to convert your video file to any format of your choice, consider how to stay tuned to this video and see one of the best video file converter that you can use right now for Windows PC. So let me show you. So like for instance, this particular video converter, HD converter video factory pro right here. So this particular converter can convert video. You can use them to download whatever type of video. You can also use them to screen record. You can use them to make GIF, and then you have our toolbox right here. Now let's explore the video converter options. So I'm going to go ahead and click on video converter right here, and then here we go. So you have different formats by which you can use to convert your video. So all you have to do is simply drag and drop your video file right here, or better still, click on plus file right here, and this will allow you to upload any type of video file in this section right here. Let's say for instance, I want to simply go to my desktop right here and pick a particular video file. So like so, I'm going to go ahead and go to my video folder right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this folder. Then I'm going to go ahead and upload any video file format right here. Like for instance, I'm going to go ahead and upload this particular video file. This video file here is WMV. Select on the video and hit on open. So once you load the video right here, you can convert this video to whatever format of your choice. Then for that, go ahead and click to change output right here. So click to change output. Then you have different series of format that you can use to convert your video. Right here, you can see from video, you can convert to 4K UHD. Select whatever template right here. You can also convert the video file to web format. Click on the web format and select whatever web format options. You can convert it to audio. Go ahead and click on audio. You have different audio file format that you can convert your video. And one great thing here about this particular software is that you can as well use conversion based on devices. So for that, you can see select devices right here. So if you want to convert your video for Apple views, click on Apple. This is for Motorola phone. So if you click on Apple, you can choose any of the Apple format right here. Let's say you want to convert your video file to iPhone 15 standard. Select iPhone 15. Then you have the result right here. And the next thing you want to do is simply click on run right here. And at the same time, make sure you set your output folder right here. It's that simple. Once you set everything, click on run at the bottom right here. Once you click on run, the video is going to be compressed and converted to your desired format file in this particular settings right here, and you are done. Lastly, I'm going to put the link to this software download in the description of this video, or better still, you can come to this particular web browser right here, and this is the official website address for this particular software. Go ahead and click on your browser and type in videoconverterfactory.com. It's going to take you to this particular official web page. You can read details right here, just like so. I'm getting to this particular web page for you to download. Click on free download right here. It works for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, as the case may be. It's that simple. Go ahead and hit on download. Run the setup on your PC and start converting your video file to whatever format of your choice. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use this particular video converter software on Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.